Hi there. I want to show you how to set up the seating chart in DigitalCat. This is a feature in DigitalCat 4 that was released in the summer of 2012. What you want to do to get started is you're going to want to go to Edit and all the way down the list to Speakers, and this brings up the speakers list. And what you want to do here is, if you have attorneys coming that you know are going to be there, you can add their names. And if any of the attorneys in your list, if you want to keep them straight by color, you can color code this list by, say a couple of these folks are representing the plaintiff, and you want to keep track of that they're plaintiff's attorneys. So you can give them a color in the seating chart by clicking on color, and then you can pick a color that's already here. If you want to customize it, you can do that as well. So we'll just make Mr. Smith red, and we'll say that Mr. McGrath he gets a red also. And just for demonstration purposes, I will also show you that if you don't want to keep track of their names where they're sitting by their names, if you've made up a token to remember who they are, that you're going to use on your steno machine, like say if you want, someone has a red tie and you just aren't sure their name and you want to call them Red, that can be added to the seating chart. Just put the check mark in there that they're there. You want to put check marks by everybody that is going to show up on your seating chart, and then you'll click close, and then you'll go to view, and you'll go to seating chart, and there you can see it has popped up. And you can arrange these icons around your table here, if you want to call it. Put the witness there and just get everybody arranged how they're sitting. And this box can be made larger or smaller as you prefer. Here's our person that we put in the steno for. And the text in these boxes can be made larger. I'll show you how to do that. Close the seating chart and you go to view, and then you will go down here to seating chart font. And if you haven't used this feature before, by default your text is probably going to look small when you first open it, but then what you want to do is drag this slider over, and if for some reason you don't like that box as solid as it is, then you can drag this slider over, and you click OK, go back up to view, select seating chart again, and now the text in these boxes is bigger, and you can see kind of behind here in the steno view pane, you can see that this box is a little more transparent now. So that is seating chart. It's a very handy little feature. If you're like me at depositions, we have the occasion where 8 attorneys walk into the room and we don't know any of them, and they all sit down, and I think almost all of us have experienced trying to jot down that seating chart real quick, who is sitting where. So that is getting it set up. If you have some names selected and they don't end up showing up, you have to close the seating chart and you go back over to your speakers and you just deselect some of these and then close, back over to view, seating chart, and see, they're all gone now. So that's how it works. I hope you find it handy. Thanks for watching.